And finally, the struggle was ended in 1913 by Henry Moseley. पीरियोडिक टेबल में अरेंजमेंट के लिए एटॉमिक नंबर एटॉमिक मासेस से ज़्यादा बेटर प्रॉपर्टी मानी गई अकॉर्डिंग टू हेनरी मोजली. Modern periodic table provided solutions to all the problems faced by Mendeleev classification of elements. In Mendeleev's periodic table, number of elements between two elements cannot be predicted. दो elements के बीच कितने elements होंगे ये बताया नहीं जा पा रहा था, लेकिन in modern periodic table, how many elements would be there between two elements could be easily predicted. Let's take one element boron and the other element fluorine. As we all know, atomic number of boron is 5 and fluorine is 9. As we can clearly see, space between boron and fluorine is of 3 elements, that is with atomic number 6, 7 and 8. Hence, with the help of atomic number, we can predict exact number of elements between two elements, which are carbon, nitrogen and oxygen. In Mendeleev's periodic table, increasing order of atomic mass is not followed everywhere, but in modern periodic table, all the elements are arranged in terms of their increasing atomic number. Let's take a look at Mendeleev's periodic table and take the example of aluminium and silicon. जैसा कि हमें पता है, atomic mass of aluminium is 30 and atomic mass of silicon is 28.1. But still, silicon was placed after aluminium, which was against the property of Mendeleev. But if we consider atomic numbers, aluminium has atomic number of 13 and silicon has atomic number of 14. Hence, arrangement of aluminium before silicon was justified in the modern periodic table. In Mendeleev's periodic table, there was no place for isotopes. But modern periodic table assigned fixed positions to isotopes. For example, isotopes of carbon with atomic mass of 12 and 14 were arranged together in Mendeleev's periodic table because there was no separate place for isotopes. Whereas in modern periodic table, both of the isotopes were arranged in the same place since carbon has atomic number of 6. Hence we can say all the limitations of Newland's periodic table and Mendeleev's periodic table were taken care of in Henry Moseley's modern periodic table. Now let's discuss the structure of modern periodic table. Modern periodic table की अगर हम बात करें तो एटॉमिक नंबर के कंसिडरेशन के हिसाब से एलिमेंट्स को अरेंज किया गया. एटॉमिक नंबर जिसे हम Z से डिनोट करते हैं एज इट्स सिंबल, इट इज इक्वल टू number of protons present in nucleus of the atom. Modern periodic table के अंदर 18 vertical columns थे which is known as groups and it had 7 horizontal rows which was known as periods. On moving from left to right in a period, the number of valence electrons increased from 1 to 8. And on moving from left to right, the number of shells remained the same. All the elements of the group had same number of valence electrons. यानी कि एक ग्रुप में मौजूद सारे एलिमेंट्स के अंदर सेम नंबर ऑफ वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन.